Hey guys, Leah here with Ode to Paper, and I am here to share the layouts that I created for How to Kill a KAKWS style for February. I did not get near as many as I had hoped to get done. February kind of got away from me a little bit, but I am happy with what I got completed. So I completed 7 full page layouts, and then I also finished up the little tag book that I had put in my kit. I had started it last month. I didn't get it finished, but I did get it finished this month. So now I just need to pop it in an envelope and send it off in the mail. So I called it Bear Moments because, we call him Cocoa Bear. So I have, photos and journaling and some of his firsts. My mom and dad have never met him, so, I've just put a little bit of journaling in there. And I added ribbon to the tag holes. And it's just something I think my mom and dad would love to have since they've never met him and do not get to see him. So, yeah. So I got that completed. That's good. That's ready to get mailed. And these are the layouts that I used with my kits. Now, my kit this month was pre-made page kits that I had put together for a class. I had intended to go through the class and actually watch the videos, but I did not have time for that this month. But I did use the page kits. So I didn't do the classes, but I did the page kits. So here's one that I created for Nicole Jones 911 Designs for her digital embellishments. These are my grandbabies, Grace and Peyton. This is another one that I created for Nicole Jones 911 Designs. This was our New Year's this year, which was just basically a sliding party in Papa's backyard. This is one that I created for the Pinspiration collaboration. I think this is probably one of my favorite layouts this month. I absolutely adore how this turned out. This is Heidi Swap Wolf Pack paper, which I'm totally in love with. And we call him Bear, so I called it Bear Adventures. This is one that I created for Confessions of a Paper Addict's second birthday, and it's a hop that's going on for that, and I used the cut file called Balloons, and I backed them all, and I used a lot of scrap papers and stuff, but this was a page kit from the How to Kill a KAKWS style kit for February. This is Grace's birthday for last year, so when she turned 4. This is another one of my favorites. I just love how it turned out. This is one I do not have a video for, which I'm kind of sad because it's also one of my favorites. So I used a lot of, I used the page kit. I used a lot of embellishments. I used some digital embellishments from Nicole. And my title says, "It all starts with a good foundation." This is back in 1997. Nope. Yep. 1997 in January. This is my mom and dad back then. This was... Okay, so this one, yeah. Oh, this is my Smash piece. This is my Smash Our Stash piece for February, which I used, chipboard was what we were to use. So I found 3 music notes and some chevrons, so I used those. I think this was the ugliest piece of paper I had in my stash, but it was a page kit, and I got it done. I'm happy with it. And this is another layout I created for Nicole Jones 911 Designs. This is called Wheels, Wheels, Wheels. Colton loves anything with wheels, so. And I do have some more wooden, oh my gosh, wooden embellishments on here. I used papers from my scrap bags from Close to My Heart, as well as the page kit that I had, which was this paper from Pink Paisley Wild Child. So yeah, those are the layouts I created. So let me show you what I have left. And I gotta be honest, my little bin over here is a disaster. So I have, this was one of the page kits I had left over from January. I didn't get this one done. This was also left over from January. So I did finish that one, but I did not get this one done. That's okay. And I have these page kits left over. So let's see how many. I think there's actually quite a few, but there was quite a few to begin with. So we have 1, 2, nope, those are scraps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and the rest are scraps. So I have 8 left. I think I had 20. No, I didn't have 20 because I didn't get that far. 15. I had 15. So that's not bad. No, I'm happy with that. And these kits will go back in my page kit bin. There's some more scraps from one of the page kits. I had thrown in this bag of scraps from Close to My Heart. I did pull out a few pieces, but, you know, I didn't finish it. I knew I wasn't going to finish this. I'm okay with it. And then I have some, these are all leftover embellishments from the page kits that I didn't use. Those will go back in my color bins. I'm okay with that too. And these were printables I didn't use. Those are the insides of the letters. I did use some of them. I used them to spell out bear on the tag book. And these printable embellishments I didn't use, but they'll go back in my stash. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I did not finish up this pad of paper that I don't like. I usually use it to mat my photos. I didn't do a lot of photo matting this month. So that'll stay in my kit until it's gone. And then these are the bags I have left over for the page kits that I didn't finish. So those will go back in my bin for page kits. And yeah, that's everything. So I will be back tomorrow with a video to show you my new How to Kill a Kit with Style kit for March. Alrighty then, have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.